Cybersecurity for Beginners Course 1. Security cover your basics in less than 1 hour. 2. The 10 internet security myths you need to forget. 3. No more technical gibberish. Master basic security terms in 20 minutes. 4. Cyber criminals can steal your credentials in 2 minutes. Here's how to master your password security. 5. How do I choose the best antivirus? We have just the thing for you. 6. Next-gen anti-hacking tools are here to protect you, because antivirus is not enough. 7. Do you know about these security holes in your system? 8. Stop procrastinating. Read this. Get your data to safety. 9. You need data encryption, even if you're not a security specialist. 10. And the cybersecurity specialist said, secure thy browsers or. 11. Are you protected from cyber attacks delivered via Wi-Fi? Find out. 12. Keep cyber criminals out of your inbox for good. Here's how. 13. Share. Tweet. Protect. Repeat. Social media, the safe way. 14. Nobody understands the cloud. Is that you? How to keep your cloud stored data safe. 15. Where is your data? Block identity theft attempts like a pro. 16. Are you under attack? Detect block cyber criminals' actions. 17. What your kids' parents need to learn about cybersecurity. 18. No nonsense cybersecurity. 10 things you never know were necessary. 19. Cybersecurity ninja level achieved.
Lesson 1. Steps to improve your computer security in less than 1 hour. 1. Use strong passwords for your email and social media accounts. There are a few things you need to pay attention to when dealing with setting good passwords for your online AC accounts. First of all, don't use the same password in more than one online account. 2. Stay safe from spyware threats with a specialized security solution. First, let's establish fast, what exactly is spyware? Spyware refers to software which is capable of installing on your computer and starts opening pop-up windows, redirects your browser to malicious websites, and monitors your browsing sessions, affecting your private internet connections. 3. Keep your Windows operating system and your vulnerable applications up to date. 4. Use a standard user account in your Windows operating system to go online. Different levels of rights and privileges are available for the Windows user accounts. I recommend using a standard Windows user account to access internet. 5. Turn off your UAC, user account control. 6. Go online with a secure browser. Your web browser is the main tool used to access internet, and you should pay a great deal of attention to secure it correctly. 7. Trust public and free Wi-Fi networks. Be careful when connecting to public and free wireless networks. One of the favorite methods used by online criminals to retrieve your credentials is by using wireless sniffers to access data sent over unprotected networks. 8. Check the link before you click it. Phishing threats are usually done by using email messages that apparently come from financial institutions or well-known banking websites. 9. Don't forget to log out. Don't simply close your browser when you are done with your financial operation or when you exit your online AC account. 10. Don't post private information on your social media accounts. 11. Don't access questionable web locations. Don't access or download content from unknown or controversial locations. Access websites that prove to be safe and you know you can trust.
Lesson 2. 10 Internet Security Myths that you need to forget. 1. This can't happen to me, only important or rich people are targeted. This security myth is called by many security experts security through obscurity. 2. Install this security application and you'll be fine. This security myth is also called the search for the magic bullet that can solve all your system security. A user that pays for a security program has high expectations and hopes all his system security to be covered by just installing the purchased program. This myth represents a false image of what it means to have a complete system security. To have complete protection of your system and your online actions, you should start by using an antivirus. 3. I don't need security programs because I don't access unsafe locations. I'm sure you heard about this one and you have those friends that believe simple common sense is all that is necessary to keep you safe from malware, viruses, spam, phishing, identity theft, online attacks. For I set some strong and complex passwords to my AC accounts, so I'll be okay is a common recommendation for every user to set a strong password. Your password should have 10 or 20 characters and they must contain various letters and numbers. 5. Internet security is expensive. 6. I only open emails from my friends, so I should be fine. Just one click away from malicious software can get them infected. 7. I download and access information from trusted sources. This keeps me safe. This is a pretty difficult security myth to break. Most of us think that accessing safe and secure locations will keep us safe. 8. My social networks are safe places. Friends will be friends. The IT criminals can track online habits and build a user persona in order to operate the identity theft of the targeted user. Therefore, be careful who you add to your list of friends. 9. I don't have important information or sensitive data on my system. Why should I worry? You may think that your data is not important for a cybercriminal, but you should know they can collect and assemble information about you from other sources as well to have a big picture of your online habits. Later on, they can use the information to steal your online identity and use it against you. 10 inches case I get infected, I will see that for sure. The malicious software is built to be undetectable and untraceable by antivirus products, retrieving private information without you even noticing. Lesson 3. No more technical gibberish. Master basic security terms in 20 minutes. 18 essential cybersecurity terms you really need to know. 1. Anti-spyware software. Anti-spyware software is used in detecting, blocking, and/or removing spyware attempts. There are 4 main different types of spyware: system monitors, trojans, adware, and tracking cookies. 2. Antivirus software, sometimes called an anti-malware program, you can also call it AV if you want to show off, is computer software used to prevent, detect, and remove malicious software. A cyber attack is classified as any type of offensive action used by cyber criminals to deploy malicious code in your system with the purpose of stealing, altering, destroying, or taking any advantage from this action. Cyber attacks can target both people and things. Anywhere. Anytime. For drive-by download can refer to 2 things: a download which you authorized but without understanding the consequences. The unintentional download of a virus or malicious software, malware, onto your computer or mobile device. 5. Exploit. An exploit is a piece of software, a chunk of data, or a set of commands that takes advantage of a bug, glitch, or vulnerability in order for malicious purposes. 6. Keylogging. Keylogging, also called keystroke logging, is a method that cyber criminals use to record, or log, the keys you strike on your keyboard in order to get confidential information about you. 7. Malvertising, short for malicious advertising, is the use of online advertising to spread malware. Cyber criminals inject malicious or malware-loaded code into online advertising networks or legitimate websites. 8. Malware. Sadface, short for malicious software, software used by cyber criminals to disrupt computer operations, gather sensitive information, or unlawfully gain access to private computer systems. 9. Patching is the process of updating software to a different, newer version. A patch is a small update released by a software manufacturer to fix bugs in existing programs. 10. Phishing is, yet, another method that cyber criminals use in order to acquire sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details. 11. Ransomware is a form of malware that essentially holds a computer system captive while demanding a ransom. 12. Social engineering. Social engineering is one of the most commonly used methods of cyber hacking, which requires little to no technology. 13. Spam. 14. Trojan horse.